Hi everyone, Great Power 60 here, taking the dog out. Let's go. Oh, it's nighttime. Oh, he's just going right out there. It's almost 10 o'clock at night, so I'll only be able to do a little bit of filming, and then I'll film when I come back in. Go ahead. Oh, thanks. Thank you, thank you. Thanks. There we go, pup. Alrighty. It's nighttime, so you're not going to see anything for a bit. Whoop, no pee in there. No peeing there. Oh, we got lots of lightning tonight. So I hope I have all my windows closed because it's raining. Ooh, there goes the thunder. Come on, puppy, you gotta do your quick pee. I don't want to be out in the lightning. Lightning and thunder. I'll let him go to the fire hydrant. Oops. There. At least you got something to look at while he goes. To the fire hydrant. Oh, the rain's coming. Okay, pup, right here, let's go. Fire hydrant, the light. Come on, baby. Come on, Zorros, too much lightning and thunder. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Yep, I don't want to get struck by lightning, so we better go in. Okay. Get a quick pee. There's more thunder. Probably hear more wind than anything else. There's flowers in the front of our building. Oh, I'm going down. Oh, too much lightning. I think it's dangerous to go. Ooh, ooh. Did you hear that? Whew. Did we hear that? Wow, that was like crazy loud. Oh my goodness. I don't know if the wind is blowing into the speaker of the phone, but that was crazy awesome. I'm just waiting for another lightning to see if it's going to thunder quick right after. That was a loud one. The air must be cold up there because it's hot down here. Hey, my pup. He's got a smell everywhere where the other dogs are peeing and they're not supposed to pee there. Alrighty, I'll be back in a sec. Okay, we're coming back in because that lightning was a little too bright and too close for my liking. Oh gosh, I miss doing my crafts for Halloween. I'm gonna miss all of that. I'm not gonna be able to do any of it. Gee. I hope you guys are having a great time creating and doing all kinds of stuff. And I'm missing it. I'm missing it, eh, puppy? I'm missing it. We'll see you in a bit.